Hey everyone! Just thought I would take a little time and talk a little bit more about division. I know it's sometimes baffling to think about division right now, but we're doing a great job in class. But I just thought maybe if you heard it one more time or you could hear it over and over again, maybe it'll get into your mind a little bit more and you'll be able to tackle those division problems a little bit more successfully. So let's look at a division problem that you might have gotten to on your worksheet today. Let's look at this problem right here. 685 divided by 9. The first thing that we've been doing in class is, remember, we're going to build our factor tower. All the factors of 9. So we're going to start right here at 9. So we go 9 times 1 is 9. And actually, a little trick that I was thinking about is if we make a little chart, all right, so that we know that 1 times 9 is 9. And then we have 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times 9 is 27. 4 times 9 is 36. 5 times 9 is 45. 6 times 9 is 54. 7 times 9 is 63. 8 times 9 is 72. And 9 times 9 is 81. Remember, we can stop at 9 times 9 because anything more than 9 would be a different amount in our quotient. Alright, so now we're going to look at our problem, and we're going to come back here, and we're going to ask ourselves, how many times does 9 go into 6? Well, in my book, 9 can't go into 6. So we're going to keep looking. So we're going to go 9 into 68. How many 9s go into 68? So now I look down my factor tower, and I see that, you know what? 63 is pretty close. 72 is too much. Remember, we're looking for the number, the highest number without going over. Just like the Price is Right. You can ask your mom and dad about the Price is Right. So I see that 63 is the nearest number without going over. So I notice that 63 is 7 times. Think about it this way. You've got 68 pieces of candy, and you need to divide them up to your friends that are waiting outside your house. All right? How many pieces of candy are each friend going to get? Is each friend going to get? Well, you're going to have 7 friends, or that you have, they're going to get 63 pieces, and we're going to divide them amongst our 9 friends. So each friend is going to get 7 pieces of candy. So now we do our step number 2. Remember, step number 2 after step number 1, which step number 1 was divide, D. Okay, let me move this over so you can see that. Divide. Then we have multiply, subtract, and bring down. We do all those together. Multiply, subtract, and bring down. So 7 times 9 is 63. Subtract, 8 minus 3 is 5. And bring down the next number, which is 5. Alright, so now we've got 55 pieces of candy. Alright, we need to divide them up among our 9 friends. So again, I'm going to go over here to my factor tower. I'm going to look, and I'm going to look, and I'm going to look. I'm going to see that, 54 looks pretty good. 63 is too much. So that means I'm going to give each friend 6 pieces of candy this time. Think about it like Halloween. Your friends are waiting outside. So if they're waiting outside, we got to write that number right outside our house. So we're going to write a 6 there. Alright, then we do that same step. Multiply, subtract, bring down. 6 times 9 is 54. Subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. And I'm going to bring down. But I notice I don't have anything there to bring down. So if I don't have anything there to bring down, that number 1 has to be what? A remainder. So I put it right up here, capital R, number 1. Remainder of 1. Now, am I finished? No, we're never finished, right? Because we have to do what? We have to do the final step, which is check, right? And we can check any division problem with its sister, and that is multiplication. So we're going to do boomerang multiplication. We're going to do it right here. 9 times 76. Do you see how that makes a boomerang? So we're going to start right here. 76 times 9. So we're taking our quotient times our divisor. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 7 is 63. Plus 5 makes it 68. Now I notice 684 does not match my dividend. But I have to take into account my remainder. So now I'm going to add that remainder right there. That makes that 685. And lo and behold, it does match my dividend. So that's just a little bit of a repeat on Looooong Division. I hope that that might help a little bit, and we'll continue plugging away as best we can. And if you want any more help, just let me know. You guys have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow.